Hello everyone, welcome to Autoya Interior channel. Here is the good news. Today, almost 9 months after Toyota presented the crossover type of the new Crown models lineup, now they are ready to reveal more details for other models: Crown Sedan, Estate and Sport. Besides release date, dimensions and some specs for each model shown in this table, Toyota has finally showed us the interior for all Crowns. Let's take a look what's inside Crown Sedan, Crown Estate or SUV, and Crown Sport, like small size SUV. Let's take a look at each interior one by one. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's go.